Liberty Walk reimagined the Miura with new Aero parts, flared fenders, and extreme styling. Most of the original panels were replaced with aggressive, motorsport-inspired bodywork. It remains unclear whether the tuner has modified the supercar's naturally aspirated V12. The Tokyo Auto Salon is almost upon us, and with it comes the parade of wild headline-grabbing creations we've come to expect. Leading the charge this year? Liberty Walk's widebodyLamborghini Miura, a radical transformation of what's widely regarded as one of the most beautiful cars ever made, and it's already causing a stir. First previewed in late November, this controversial build is guaranteed to divide opinions faster than you can say sacrilege. For those unfamiliar, Liberty Walk is the Japanese tuning house famous, or infamous, depending on who you ask, for applying its signature widebody treatment to everything from Nissan GT-Rs to Ferraris and Lamborghinis. In recent years, the shop has set its sights on several big-name classic supercars. It started by creating a widebody Ferrari F40 and then followed it up with a widebody Lamborghini Countach. Now, it has developed and produced a widebody kit for the Miura. Liberty Walk's kit for the Miura is known as the LB Silhouette Works GT and joins a series of other similar kits, including for the Lamborghini Murcielago, Aventador, Huracan, and the Ferrari 458 Italia, to name but a few. Virtually all exterior panels of the classic Italian supercar have been upgraded or replaced. Whether or not that is a good thing depends on where you stand with classic cars. The front end has gained a dramatic splitter and aggressive canards. Liberty Walk has then crafted new wide front fenders and installed a set of deep-dish aftermarket wheels. Continuing the bold styling are trick aerodynamic side skirts and a pair of tiny motorsport-inspired door mirrors. The rear clamshell is completely new and now features flared arches and a wild diffuser. This being an LB model, it wouldn't be complete without a towering rear wing with uprights stretching up from the rear bumper. It also looks as though the car has been lowered on an air suspension system, although we won't know for sure until it's shown to the public in Tokyo.